Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are fine. In today's video, I'm going to be making some delicious spicy garlic shrimps. This recipe is very easy to put together. It will not take you up to 10 minutes to fix this delicious recipe. Here are the shrimps that I'm going to be using for this recipe. I'm just going to clean up my shrimps. You need to clean up your shrimps very well. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you still waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and remember to set that notification bell icon to all. That will notify you anytime I upload a new video. So now let's get started. Here are the few ingredients that I'm going to be using for this recipe. I'll be listing everything that I use for this recipe in the description box below, so you can check it out if you want to make this recipe. So now I'm going to be chopping the garlic and the peppers into a tiny pieces. I'll be using about 5 cloves of garlic. This recipe really needs garlic because garlic is the main ingredient you need for this recipe. So if you don't like garlic, I'm so sorry about that. You really need garlic for this recipe. So now I'm going to be marinating the shrimps with some lemon and black pepper. You really need few ingredients for this recipe. If you use too much ingredients, you will just lose that rich taste of the shrimps. So as you can see, this recipe requires just few ingredients. In my pan, I'm going to be adding some olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I normally use olive oil for this recipe. I'll be adding some garlic. I'm going to saute this garlic for about 1 minute. I'll be adding some salt. So now I'm going to be adding the shrimps. And you don't need to overcook your shrimps. You just need to cook your shrimps for about 3 to 4 minutes. Because if you overcook your shrimps, the shrimps will be very strong. You will not enjoy it like that. So I'm going to be adding the dry chili pepper. I'll make sure I stir everything together. I'm going to be adding some sweet green pepper. This pepper just adds some nice aroma to this recipe. I really love the aroma. So guys, I'm going to stir everything together. Then I'll allow it to cook for just 1 minute. Then it's done. So guys, give it a try and let me know the outcome of your own in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and you can as well share this video with your friends and family. I love you all guys, and I love to see you again with another delicious recipe. Bye bye. Ciao.